All right, guys, here we go. Steven down to Chad. Let's roll. Best of luck, best of luck. We'll do teams and then the names. Dice roll for both. We're going 11 times. We'll do the giveaway too. So the giveaway, we're doing we're just off the cuff, just randomly. I haven't even decided on the prizes yet. I said depending on how many breaks we do tonight, they'll get bigger. We'll do the one person from each break gets into the final round. Everyone will get a prize in the final round. We'll do that. I accidentally closed that out. Just meant to do it twice. So that's one for teams. There'll be a second one here for a giveaway. All right, we're going 11. Best of luck on 11. We're going Hawks to Wizards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nuggets up to the Kings. $11 on the names. Chad up to Steven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lucky number 11. Chad up to David. Chad up to David. The Pelicans go to Josh H. 11. I probably should have just said like a person in one spot gets the giveaway, but whatever. 11. It was 11 to go to the prize round. The prize round of the evening. Steven down to Chad on 11. Top spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 11 goes to Robert T. into the prize round. One person from any other break we do tonight will go into the prizes. Just randomly did it on a whim tonight. Feeling in the mood to give shit away. Because you guys are awesome. Okay, next Prizm is in the store. If you fill it tonight, it breaks tonight. If you fill it tonight, it breaks tonight. 2 teams left in high tech. I mean, one is not really a team. The Marlins. If no one buys the Marlins, I'll just give them away. But I think it's the A's. Did I say the A's are left? No, Cubs. Cubs are the only team left. Well, the Marlins too, but you know. They don't really count. They do have cards. Cubs. It breaks next. If you want the Cubs, they're in the store. The next Prizm bucket's down to 20 already. Trade them if you want them. The Cubs are 29. All right, to kill it. All right, send me 25 right now. They're yours. Prizm goodness. We're hitting a Zion silver, baby. I can feel it. Cool, thank you. Alright guys, there it is. Let's do it. If you want to trade, that's because it's so loose is why it keeps moving on me. That's what she said. I gotta fix this. Get out a few more top loaders and let's do it. The next one's up. 3 Prizms, same of these, and 2 fast breaks. Maybe the fast breaks are more, so I assume they must be a little better box. They're like 20 more per box. Trade if you want, trade if you want. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. So many packs. Afraid I was gonna happen. There's not enough cards in them for them to like for them to stay up. I really feel like a pack of cards should be 6 at minimum, no matter what. 4 is weak. Chad's looking for the Blazers if they're for sale. For trade. No trades? I don't think you've ever had one trade go down in this. Alright guys, good luck. Rui, Emergent. Roby, rookie. Dragic, silver for the Heat. Irving inserts. Jalen McDaniels, rookie. Clyde Drexler, silver for the Blazers. Claxton, rookie. Jarrett Culver, instant impact. There's an RJ Barrett base. Magic Johnson silver insert. Chris Middleton green for the Bucks. Brandon Clark for the Grizzlies. Base rookie. Silver Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. Kevin Knox, red wave for the Knicks. Noel for the T-Wolves. A green Devin Booker for the Suns. Paula silver rookie for the Heat. Eric with a silver rookie. Windler rookie. And a Will Purdue penmanship auto for the Bulls. Stephen K. We have a Cam Reddish. Nice. Red Wave rookie for the Hawks. Going to Tom. DeAndre Hunter, rookie. Batadzi, I don't even know how to say that dude's name. A silver CJ McCollum for the Blazers. Grant Williams for the Ticks. Joel Embiid. Jamal Murray. RJ Barrett insert. Thibault insert. Donovan Mitchell hyped. Silver Evan Turner for the Hawks. Alexander Walker for the Pelicans. I don't think that's... I don't know why that was upside down. I don't think it's anything. Or was... Yeah. James Harden, dominance. Unless, do they have any variations or anything in this? I'll put it aside. A hyped Steph Curry silver. Cody Martin, rookie for the Hornets. Vukovic, Magic. Yeah, I thought it was. Yeah, they were upside down, not like. You know what I mean. Hero for the Heat. And a Thibault autograph for the Sixers, rookie penmanship. For the Sixers and Mike Frank. Any Thibault red wave for the Sixers. Kevin Porter, a rookie. Miles Bridges, silver for the Hornets. He says, bingo. Alright, hang on. This is going to move a second. I got to screw it back in. Just going to move all over the place on me. Oh, it might be better. Duncan, Jalen McDaniels, Jackson Hayes Emergent, Hachimura, rookie for the Wizards, Langston Galloway for the Pistons, Denzel Valentine, silver for the Bulls. Dylan Windler for the Cavs. Reggie Jackson, autograph for the Pistons. Pistons. Serge Ibaka for the Raptors, red wave. AD insert. DeAndre Hunter, rookie. Ben Simmons, green dominance. Romeo Langford, rookie for the Ticks. Donovan Mitchell, dominance, silver. Brazdeikis for the Knicks. Kobe White insert. Kemba Walker, red wave for the Ticks. Jackson Hayes, rookie. Alexander Walker, insert. Silver Steven Adams for the Thunder. Let's go, rookie silver. Giannis, hyped. Nasir Little for the Trailblazers. Red wave Kevin Huerter for the Hawks. Ty Jerome, rookie for the Suns. De'Aaron Fox, insert. Hachimura, insert. Roby, rookie. Silver, Brandon Ingram for the Pelicans. Silver, Chandler Parsons for the Hawks. Thibault, insert. Bowl, rookie for the Nuggets. Jaren Jackson Jr., green for the Grizz. PJ Washington Jr., insert. Hachimura, base. Luke Kennard for the Pistons, green. Come on, rookie color. Silver, let's go. There we go. It is Cameron Johnson for the Suns. Come on, Zion. Terrence Mann, Clippers, rookie. A green Isaiah Roby for the Mavs. Oh, no, I don't sell any single cards. Sorry, Nick. No single cards. My Pack Mountain, no. I'm trying. Let's do it. Russell Westbrook, red wave for the Rockets. Smolagic, rookie. Romeo Langford. Cameron Johnson for the Suns. A green KD for the Nets. No silver Zion. PJ Washington, rookie. Paul George, silver for the Clippers. Reggie Jackson, red wave for the Pistons. Keldon Johnson, rookie. Larry Bird, insert. A green Kelly Oubre Jr. for the Suns. Samanich, inserts. Eric Bledsoe for the Bucks, silver. Jordan Bone, rookie. Darius Garland, silver rookie for the Cavs. Nasir Little, rookie for the Blazers. A hit right on top. Josh Okogie for the T-Wolves. Auto. Darius Baisley, another rookie silver for the Thunder. That's why retail's so good, man. Says oozes, rookie silver. Baisley for the Thunder. Keldon Johnson, rookie. Nasir Little. Isaiah Thomas Green for the Wizards. Kyle Guy for the Kings. Bruce Brown, Pistons, silver. Clint Capella, red wave for the Rockets. Hakeem Olajuwon, red wave for the Rockets. Bruno Fernando, a silver Kemba Walker. Steph insert. Kabengele for the Clippers, whatever his name is. Grant Hill, silver for the Pistons. A Ja insert. Weatherspoon, rookie for the Spurs. Okiki insert. Another rookie silver, Servetus for the Pistons. Oozing, rookie silver. Another one for David, wow. Dragic, Heat, green. Jalen McDaniels, red wave rookie for the Hornets. Cam Reddish, base. Jackson Hayes, inserts. Silver, Karl Anthony Towns for the T-Wolves. Eric Gordon, green for the Rockets. Let's get him a Zion. Okiki for the Magic, rookie. Steph, insert. Let's get him one. Let's just do it for him. Let's do it. I gotta fix my little mountain. I don't understand, this keeps changing on me. I put the pack wrapper there instead of the card. A green Paul Pierce for the Ticks. I love those green for the Celtics. They're sweet. Team color. It looks so good. Brandon Clark, Emergent. Onai, rookie. RJ Barrett, insert. Steph, insert. Maravich, silver for the Jazz. Schofield, rookie. Brandon Clark, insert for the Grizz. Kawhi, insert. Gafford, rookie for the Bulls. PJ Washington, insert. Silver Paul George for the Clippers. Justin James, rookie. Jokic, insert. Kobe White for the Bulls, base, rookie. Darius Garland for the Cavs, base, rookie. I see some rookie color coming. Kyle Kuzma, inserts. Bruno Fernando. We have a Servetus rookie auto for the Pistons with a Terrence Mann Red Wave rookie for the Clippers. They only have a shot of this guy in a suit. Nothing else. There's no action shot of him at all. Terrence Mann for the Clippers. There's a Ja base for the Grizzlies. There's a Seth Curry Red Wave for the Mavs. Jason Tatum, insert. Russell Westbrook. Darius Baisley, insert. Okiki, rookie. Anthony Hardaway, silver for the Magic. Let's get this kid a silver Zion. Let's get Josh a silver Zion. Nasir Little. Onai, rookie for the Jazz. Darius Garland. Doumbaya for the Pistons. Base rookie. Devin Booker, insert. Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. There's a Luka base. A green Joe Ingles for the Jazz. Silver Keldon Johnson, Emergent. Another rookie silver Tremont Waters for the Celtics. Crushing rookie silvers. No big ones though. pack. RJ Barrett for the Knicks, rookie. Colin Sexton for the Cavs. Brandon Clark for the Grizzlies, rookie. A Kawhi, red wave for the Clippers. James Harden dominance. Noel for the T-Wolves. A green Bogdanovich for the Jazz. Bowl for the Nuggets. A silver Caboclo for the Grizz. Josh Jackson for the Grizz. Red wave. Terrence Mann for the Clippers. Blake Griffin. Jackson Hayes, Pelicans. Last little bit. Let's get him a Zion, baby. Darius Baisley. Let's something, Zion. Come on. Kawhi. PJ Washington, rookie for the Hornets. Doumbaya. Kyle Guy for the Kings. Ty Jerome insert. Caboclo, Grizzlies again. A hero base for the Heat. A green Clyde Drexler for the Trailblazers. Whatever this guy's name is for the Grizzlies, silver. Thibault Emergent. Nick Claxton. Damn, we didn't get him one. I'm sorry, Josh. Your luck's been poor lately. It'll come back. Your luck will come back. Go on streaks. Alright, guys, that's Prizm buckets. A lot of rookie silver, though. Like, a great amount. Much more than the last one, I think. I think these are just vet red waves. Recap. KG Green. Alright, Steve, if you want to sell the Blazers stuff, contact me. Kemba Walker. We got a buyer for you. Tremont Waters, silver. We've only done a couple of these, but yes, we've at least hit one in Baisley silver. We've at least hit one, I think, and at least a base or an insert. A Kogi. Garland silver, Roby green, Cameron Johnson silver, Reggie Jackson auto for the Pistons. Thibault for the Sixers. Thibault auto for the Sixers. Cam Reddish, nice. Will Purdue for the Bulls and Akpala for the Heat. That's the break. Thanks again, peeps. Next one's in the store. 3 of these and 2 fast breaks, which is the same thing. It's still Prizm. It's still the same Prizm, just a little bit different of a configuration, I guess. Still the same Prizm, though. It's not a different product. All right, there it is, fellas.